Hello everybody, how you doing? At this tutorial I want to show you how to get the ping from a website at the Windows 10 actually. So at the Windows 10 you can type, actually search CMD at the left button. Just type CMD and press enter. Type ping space the address of the website. Here I want to get the ping of the Google. Type www.google.com and then press enter. You will show the ping of the google.com. This is the duration time of we can get packages from the server, Google server actually. So if you liked, you can subscribe, like and share your experiences. Thanks.